Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. My name is SITI NURHANNA SOLEHAH binti ABDULLAH S75395 and today I'm going to present about Introduction, Applicant Tracking System ATS and also impact of ATS on HR departments. Human resource management plays a critical role in ensuring organizational effectiveness and the achievement of strategic objectives. In today's competitive business environment, organizations increasingly rely on technology to enhance recruitment efficiency. The widespread use of online job applications has resulted in an overwhelming number of resumes submitted for each vacancy. To address this challenge, many organizations have adopted Applicant Tracking System or ATS. This presentation examines the advantages and disadvantages of ATS in recruitment based on the case study, pros and cons of cleaning up the resumes. An applicant tracking system or ATS is a digital recruitment tool designed to automate and manage various stages of the hiring process. It enables organizations to screen resumes using predefined criteria and keywords, store applicant data, and schedule interview electronically. ATS is widely used by organizations, particularly large corporations, to improve efficiency and consistency in recruitment practices. Next is impact of ATS on HR departments. The implementation of ATS has significantly transformed the operations of human resource departments. By automating the resume screening process, HR professionals are able to reduce the time and effort required for manual review. This allows HR departments to focus more on strategic human resource activities, such as talent development and workforce planning.
My name is SUHAILA HAZUANI binti RAMLEE, matric number S74600. For positive impact on HR department, one of the primary benefits of ATC is its ability to enhance recruitment efficiency. The system allows HR department to quickly filter and shortlist candidates who meet job recruitment. Additionally, ATC also reduces administrative error, improve documentation, and enable faster communication with applicants, thereby improving the overall candidate experience. Next, for negative impact on HR department. Despite the advantage, ATC also presents several limitations. This system may accidentally include qualified candidates due to rigid keyword matching or unsupported resume format. ATC also struggles to interpret employment gate, frequent job change, and non-linear career paths, which may result in potentially suitable candidate being overlooked. For positive impact on line manager. From the perspective of line manager, ATC provides significant support during the hiring process. By generating a short list of pre-screening candidates, the system enables line manager to save time and focus on evaluating candidate competency, job suitability, and cultural fit. This contributes to faster and more informed on hiring decision.
Assalamualaikum. My name is HUMAIRA binti ANANG, number matric S75833. For benefits in requirement management, ATS also improves requirement management by organizing candidate data and building talent pools for future hiring needs. The system supports data-driven decision-making through requirement analytics and performance metrics. In addition, automated interview scheduling and centralized communication enhance coordination between human resource departments and line managers. For negative impacts on line managers, however, ATS may also lead to challenge for line managers. When the system produces poor candidate measures, managers may experience frustration and lose confidence in the requirement process. Moreover, the implementation and maintenance of ATS can involve high costs, particularly for system updates and data security measures. For ethical and data privacy concerns, the widespread of ATS also raises ethical and data privacy concerns. The system stores large volumes of personal and sensitive applicant data, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. Additionally, over-reliance on automated screening may reduce human judgment and unintentionally introduce bias into requirement decision.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURLIYANA S7996. Today I would like to present about this slide. So in this slide, I will discuss why ATS is commonly used in resume screening and how it supports the recruitment process. In my opinion, ATS should be used to screen resume due to its efficiency and ability to manage large number of applications. However, it should not be treated as a standalone solution. ATS is most effective when used as a supportive tool alongside human evaluation. Okay, now I want to present slide 13, which is a limitation of ATS is candidate evaluation. Why ATS improves efficiency? It is important to understand its limitation is assessing candidate quality. One key limitation of ATS is its inability to accurately assess soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability. These attributes are essential for long-term job performance, but are difficult for an automated system to detect. As a result, candidates with strong interpersonal skills may be overlooked during the screening process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZMIRA NURSOLEHA BINTI OSMAN. Matrix number S75587. I will be the first presenter for question 2 with the first point applying a combination of human oversight and AI models in the recruitment process. Although applicant tracking system or ATS are widely used because they save time and reduce recruitment costs, they also come with several drawbacks. These include technical issues, limited feedback to applicants, and the rejection of qualified candidates due to strict keyword matching. In some cases, the system may unintentionally introduce bias and eliminate suitable candidates at an early stage. Based on the findings, many respondents expressed the need for greater flexibility and human involvement in the screening process. Over-reliance on automated algorithms may cause recruiters to overlook candidates who possess relevant skill but use different resume formats or terminology. Therefore, it is recommended that human review be included at the final screening stage. ATS should be used as a supporting tool rather than a complete decision maker. Human oversight allows recruiters to evaluate candidates more holistically, reduce bias, and ensure fairness in hiring decisions. Regular system audits and human controls are also important to improve system effectiveness and maintain ethical recruitment practice.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is ARDIANSYAH. My matrix number is S7850. This I will explain about the upgrading keyword strategies and system configuration. And this part divided in 3 points. The first point is ATS filter and priorities qualified candidate efficiently. This means the ATS applicant tracking system automatically scan resumes to find candidates that match important keyword like skill, experience, or education required for the job, instead of reading every single resume one by one. HR can lead the system priorities the best candidate. This saves a lot time and make sure the only most suitable applicants are considered first. The second point is improve collaboration and streamline hiring process. This means the ATS act as a single system where all parts of the hiring process are connected. Recruit, hiring manager, and other stakeholders can communicate, share information, and track progress all in one place. This helps the team work together better, reduce mistakes, and allow decisions to be made faster because everyone has access to the same information at the same time. The third point is user-friendly interface and structured candidate database. This means the ATS has important part to make it work smoothly. First, it has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. So recruit and candidate can interact with the system without confusion. Second, it has a database that organizes and stores all candidate information, job posting and recruitment data. This way the information is easy to find, manage and update, making the recruitment process much more efficient and organized.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TENGKU IFZAN bin TENGKU AZLAN with the number matric of S75600, and I will discuss about the using of multiple sourcing channels and reducing ATS reliance. It is one of the solutions to counterback the drawbacks of the resume screening software. Despite the ATS positive impact such as saving the cost for a certain company, it also can has some flaws and errors, such which is the common error is inherited bias that can negatively impact the candidate evaluations. That's why some channels has made their ATS analysis for this case. For example, such as greenhouse and level. For greenhouse, they reduce number of hiring time by present its own modular design with the other HR tools, while the lever channel able to combine between ATS and customer relationship management (CRM) in functionalities in order to combine become one, and also to improve the ATS functionalities. It shows that both of these has successful results, where greenhouse able to balance their technical features with their own design, and also lever able to promote teamwork despite giving the experience to each candidate's personalized at the same time. However, some channels have facing ATS challenges, such as Amazon. Amazon's internet ATS has consists algorithmic bias that impact a large amount of candidates, despite Amazon have a large amount of applicants. This proves that Amazon needs to robusting its ATS with the mitigation strategies in order to decrease and reduce the existing bias that happen in the channel. That's all from me. Thank you. Now we move on to the next point, which is applying advanced AI and semantic embeddings. It is also one of the solutions in order to counterback the drawbacks of the resume screening software. Conventional ATS may encounter considerable constraints accurately aligned with the resume and the job descriptions. However, after an analyze effectiveness, different architectures such as encoders such as BERT, Gilbert, Roberta, and decoders like GPT and Gemini, resume to vet demonstrates more and advanced features than conventional ATS in terms of distinction, candidates evaluation, and also scalability performance. Based on the data from normalized discount cumulative gain NDCG and also ranked bias overlap RBO sources, it shows that resume to vet achievement enhancement is 15.85% and 15.94% respectively. It shows that how more powerful resume to vet is compared to the conventional ATS in terms of matching resumes with job descriptions and also align with candidate human evaluation. That's all for me.
Good morning everyone, I am NINTHIYA, anak perempuan GUNASEGARAN, number matric S75199. Today I will present our case study on the pros and cons of cleaning up the resumes. Next, let's conclude the question 1's answer, which is impacts of ATS. ATS brings clear benefits to HR departments by enhancing recruitment efficiency, reducing errors, and ensuring fairness in candidate screening. Line managers also benefit through improved collaboration, time savings, and access to talent pools. However, there are drawbacks. ATS often struggles to interpret employment history, lateral career moves, or unconventional resumes. Line managers may feel frustrated when poor matches are delivered, and keyword-based filtering can exclude strong candidates, limiting diversity. Data privacy risks also make reliance on ATS more complicated. Let's see question 3. To overcome these issues, organizations should adopt a balanced strategy that combines automation with human oversight. Human review during final screening ensures qualified candidates are not overlooked. Improving keyword strategies and system configurations can enhance accuracy, while diversifying sourcing channels such as referrals and professional networks. It will reduce dependence on ATS alone. Some more advanced AI models like RESU-MESS also provide deeper contextual insight, aligning resume evaluations more closely with human judgment and reducing bias. For the overall conclusion, ATS, which is Applicant Tracking System, has revolutionized recruitment by streamlining processes, saving time and improving consistency. Yet, its limitations, such as keyword dependence and inability to access soft skills, highlight the risk of over-reliance. The best recruitment approach is a hybrid one, where technology delivers efficiency and human judgment ensures fairness and diversity. By refining keyword strategies, integrating advanced AI, and maintaining human oversight, organizations can maximize the benefits of ATS while minimizing its drawbacks, ultimately securing its high-quality talent aligned with organizational goals.